What's going on, traders? This is Tyler with Trade Kings. Today we're going over ACB, Aurora Cannabis. We'll go ahead and start up by drawing our support and resistance. We got our support at 855. We got our resistance up here at 925, and then we have our median sitting at about 890. Let's go ahead and take a look on FinViz. We'll see the float is very high, almost 1 billion shares in float. But a lot of news today, so that's positive. We won't go over every single thing, but you can see there's a lot of news that got released today. Basically, if we're looking to go long on this stock, we're going to need to see a break above this median, above this VWAP at some point, and we want to see a clean break above. And for our entry, what we're going to want to see is once we see that move take place, we don't want to just hop in. Because a lot of times it will just go like this. It'll come up, it'll come right back down, and then you'll be stuck, right? You'll be stuck in there. So instead of just jumping in the trade like that, we're going to go ahead and wait for it to pop up out of this, past the VWAP, past the support, past the median line here, come back down and retest off this previous resistance and create new support. And then we want to see, and then that's when we would go ahead and take our entry long once we see it stabilize, give us some bullish volume and bullish reversal candles. So once you see it stabilize, create new support on this previous resistance, that's when you hop in for the trade up to the next resistance point, which would be here at 925. And depending on whether or not you want to sell or hold, this is the first target. So it's always good to sell 3/4 your position. That's what I personally do, and then see if it continues up, or a lot of times it will just come back down. So if you sell 3/4 your position, at least you could decide then, while it's still in profit, if you wanted to cut your position or keep holding at that point. So, and it also you can anticipate the break up here, and then you can also play like you did here, wait for that retest, because you can sell 3/4, wait to see if it breaks up. If it breaks up, comes down, retest, and does the same pattern here, pull back, and stabilizes on this previous resistance, you can go ahead and add more to your position for another trade up to the next resistance, wherever that may be. You might have to look on a higher time frame. We won't do that right now, but so those are the two trades for the long side. If you're looking to go short, we already hit up off this VWAP and resistance median line up here, so we don't want to just hop into the trade. What we want to see is we want to see it come down here and actually break through this support here, and just like the retest here, we want to see it come back up and attempt to retest off this previous support and create new resistance. Once you see bearish reversal candles, bearish volume, that's when you would hop in for that continuation trade down to the next level of support. Okay, traders, if this video helped you at all, please hit that like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.